Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm still going to be following the theme of Christmas DIYs. I'm going to be doing an affordable snow globe. I got all of my supplies from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to also put in the home supplies that I already have that I'm going to use to create the snow globe. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you. Happy holidays! So the one that I got from Michael's, the glass one, I'm not sure if I can put water in this one, because like I know it has the cork, but I'm not trying to ruin it because it's super cute. So I'm not pressed to put water. Like, see, it's not closing, so I don't even know. But there's this one. And the one that I did get from the dollar store, I used all of my dollar store things. I don't like the snow. I don't like it. I don't know if it's because I needed to put more water, but like it's just so clumpy, or maybe I put too much of it. But this is how it came out. It's actually really, really cute. I like it a lot. And then some people cover this actually with like a bow, which I actually do have a bow. So I'm gonna pause this and I'm gonna put the bow and then I'm gonna come back. All right, so I added a bow. Oh, it's so cute. So this is all using stuff from the dollar store. I got the man and the walking the dog. I got the tree, the snow, the water I pay for. I pay for it every month. But even the globe is from the dollar store. And then look, I did this cute little bow. This came from something else that I bought Christmassy. But super cute. Get into it. So altogether, this project was probably like, I want to say $1, $2, $3, maybe $6, $7. So thank you for watching. I'll have a few more videos that are Christmas themed. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share.